Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I just want to give you guys a quick video here. I've been meaning to make this video for a long time now. When I first got the car, I did a paint protection film, or better known as a PPF, and as well as window tints. So yeah, like I said before, I've been meaning to make this video for a long time, but I just never really got around to it. And now that I'm just waiting for the traffic and stuff to die down on the highway, figured I'd just make it for you guys, upload it, and kind of show you guys what was done. So you can't really tell the PPF is on there, but mainly I got the package where it covers like almost half the hood down, and you can probably see on the line there on the video here where the PPF is, and it got a quarter of the fenders, and I got the whole front bumper, so it covers the whole entire white piece here, and then it wraps around to the other quarter fender. So it doesn't cover like 100%, it's maybe like 98%, but you can see here the ending of the film. It's just dirty. I did clay bar it, so you're gonna see more of an outline on the paint and stuff, because the clay is underneath it on the corners of it. So the first time they did this, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys, you know, I want to make sure you guys understand what kind of goes behind the whole process here. But the first time they did this, I wasn't too happy with it, only because they had it's like they didn't even wash the car, or clean it rather, and they just laid the PPF on top of it. And along here on the bottom lip and some of the fenders, or the front bumper rather, it was just like dirt and stuff underneath it. Same thing with the mirrors too. I did the mirror caps as well and the stems. But when I when I went to go pick it up, I saw that there was stuff under the film, and it just wasn't laid out very well. I'm very OCD about that stuff. I like to be, you know, I would like it to be super clean, and I'm just one of those picky guys, you know, I'm a car guy. So I pointed out to them, I wasn't very happy. They knew about it, and they actually redid it for me, and it turned out a hell of a lot better. There was 2 guys on it. The initial guy had to redo it, and the manager that was I don't want to say supervising, but just making sure everything was good to go. And it came out really good. You know, the sensors aren't PPF, of course, but overall I do like the way it came out, and I would highly suggest anyone that has a new car, or that wants to protect the paint on their car, to get a PPF. It wasn't really that much, not as much as you would think. And let's see, what else can I say about this? I think it's self-healing, the guy said, where if there's some minor scratches on it, you put it in the sun and it'll just bake it right out. But yeah, on my ST, I had a bunch of rock chips and stuff on there. Oh man, I hated that thing so much. I wanted to get it repainted like every other week. But yeah, so the front end is covered, and you got the mirror caps, like 3/4 of the mirror caps, and the stem is covered as well, just the front of it. So, and then so the window tints, they did a very good job on these. As you can see, not a lot of light gets transferred through them, nor does it look like a fishbowl. So I'm probably about 7 feet away, and it looks pretty dark. It's a dark interior to begin with, so I think they did overall really well. They even did some down here in this little tiny quarter window, all the way in the back, all the way around. The sunroof they didn't touch because that was already tinted from the factory, but they did add a sun strip on there, which I thought was really cool. And yeah, so that's how it turned out to be. And they actually rolled it up pretty well. As you can see, they did a pretty good job on it. But yeah, nothing too major with that. Overall, they did a really good job, and I love the way it turned out. So if you guys are in the area of a Zeibart location, definitely check them out, hit them up for a PPF and window tint. So that's it, guys. Like I was saying before, just a short video of what I wanted to give you guys. And oh, by the way, those of you that are watching, I've had quite a few comments on this spoiler already. It is a Spoiler King lip spoiler for the spoiler. It's a spoiler for the spoiler. But yeah, that's how it looks. Went on really well. You got to leave this thing out in the heat for like an hour or two when it's super hot, just so it can get really nice and flexible. Adds a nice little lip to it. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Be on the lookout for another video of a 10,000 mile review, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to follow me on my social media, you guys. And thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Take care. Have a great day.